Good afternoon, all of you, 10th standard students. Now, today we will see the poem A Teenager's Prayer in details. We can see here that the name of the poet is J. Morse. J. Morse is given here a name of the poet. This J. Morse as like a teenager boy. What is the age of any teenagers? The age of any teenager is 13 to 19 years old. Means that ज्यांचं वय 13 ते 19 वर्षांमध्ये असतं त्यांना आपण टीनेजर्स असं म्हणतो. In this poem, this J. Morse as like a teenager boy. What he said that teenager boy or J. Morse is praying to a God to give him a very good path, give him or to show him a good direction. This teenage age is very important for everyone. That in this teenage we have to decide our future, very good future also. That times a teenager just wanted want the help from a God. He just wanted a God stand for what is right and what is wrong. Teenagers can shape their lives during this age. This is very important age. Let's see the first stanza. Each day brings new beginnings, decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. Means that in this way the God is doing as like so many type of the things, so many type of the person. Means God like a person's mind also, God like a family also, or a society also. What the poet said that each day brings a new beginnings. When we just have to face each day, that times having a new beginnings, and always I must make my own decisions. That's why I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. I am the only one to, means that you just help me what is a wrong path and what is a right path. I just have to choose that very good path one. That's why you just give me a good direction, God. Then see the second stanza. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to a great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to a great distress. There are given two ways are given here. Which are the two ways? The ways is given we can take a success and we can take a distress also. There are two ways. But God, I may choose a wrong road. That's why you help me. This is very important. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success. I can choose a darkened road also, and that darkened road just leads to a very distress one. What is mean by distress? Very great worry. या ठिकाणी पोएट म्हणतोय की या माझ्या आयुष्यामध्ये येणारे दोन रोड टू वेज असू शकतात. त्या टू वेज मध्ये मला काय करायचंय, एक जर रोड कोणताही मी एखादा रोड मी घेतला तर त्यावेळेस मला एखादा ग्रेट सक्सेस मिळेल, आणि एखादा रोड मी घेतला तर त्या ठिकाणी मला डिस्ट्रेस, खूप वरी, खूप यातना पण मिळतील. व्हॉट आय बी ऑनेस्ट हिअर. वी आर टू ऑनेस्टी इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट हिअर. आपण जर प्रामाणिक असाल, चांगले असाल तर ऑब्व्हियसली वी कॅन गेट अ सक्सेस. अँड जर आपल्यामध्ये प्रामाणिकपणाने आपण काम केलं नाही तर आपल्याला त्यावेळेस काय मिळणार आहे? डिस्ट्रेस मिळणार आहे. सी द थर्ड स्टांजा. सी द थर्ड वन. प्लीज ओपन अप माय आयज डिअर लॉर्ड दॅट आय माइट क्लिअरली सी. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. Means that I can see that I might clearly see what is good and what is the bad one. This is my inner voice. I can hear my inner voice you just do. That times the poet requests to a God, please open up his eyes. Because I want your decisions, I want your speakings, what is good one and what is a bad one. Help me stand for what is right, bring out the best in me. Help me, that times I want your help. You just stand behind me, or you just say me what is good one and what is bad one. I can see, in this stanza we can see that I might clearly see what is good and what is bad. What is the good quality of any teenager? Means that be honest, stay away from a bad company, you just study regularly, set your goals. This is your good decisions, or that is a good thinking of any teenagers. You should follow this, and that times I want to your help to show me the right path. Then the next stanza, help Lord to just say no when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. Help me God. That poet wanted the help from the God. What is the help? That is, he just wanted to get from God. When temptation comes my way, when I will face any temptation, that times you just say no to me. What is the temptation? Means that some bad effect. The temptation is given here a strong wish to do something bad or wrong. Some bad habits, we can say that. Which are the temptations that so many teenagers faces? Chewing tobacco, drugs, smoking cigarettes, drinking or mobile games. These are the temptation of any teenagers. And that times when I just accept this temptation, immediately you say to know me, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When in this way, when I am in a temptation, you say no to me, and that times I can avoid these temptations, and that times I might keep my body clean and I am the fit. I will be fit for the next life or life for the each day. आता टेम्पटेशन म्हणजे काय? जे टीनेजर्स असलेले जी मुलं असतात त्यांच्या आयुष्यामध्ये ज्या काही टेम्पटेशन असतात, म्हणजे एखादी स्ट्रॉंग विश. काही मुलांना टोबॅको, तंबाखू खाण्याची सवय असते, ड्रग्स घेतात, स्मोकिंग सिगारेट स्मोक करतात, ड्रिंक करतात, मोबाईल गेम्स. या एजमध्येच या मुलांना वाईट सवयी लागतात. आणि मग त्यामुळेच हा टीनेजर्स म्हणतोय की देवाला प्रार्थना करतोय की ज्यावेळेस असं काही टेम्पटेशन मी फेस करत असेल त्यावेळेला तू मला काही येऊन सांग, नाही हे करायचं नाही, असं ठामपणे माझ्या समोर उभा राहा. आता खरंच या ठिकाणी नाही म्हणण्याचं काम म्हणजेच काय? देव करतो का नाही? त्यासाठी देव म्हणजे आपली कोण असतात? आपली आई वडील असतात, आपले टीचर्स असतात, आपली मोठा भाऊ बहीण असतात, काका असतात, कुणी असतात. दीज आर द मदर, फादर, टीचर्स, our elder brother or sister. They are your God, for they have to say no for this when you face these temptations, when you are facing these temptations. These are your gods, and that's why the teenager said that when the temptation, there are some temptation, that times you say no to me. That's why I can maintain, I can fit my body, I will be healthy for the next day. Then see the last stanza. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. When my teenagers years are over, when I am all grown up and my teenagers are over, that time I know that I will see. But before that I want your help. I want your suggestions. I want your decisions. I know that I will see that life is lived its very best because success is ahead. I know that because my teenagers years are over now and success is ahead for that. You just show me with you walking next to me. Again, you just show me the good path, the good way to me. This is the poem. This is the last stanza's paraphrase. Again, I revise all the paraphrase or a description of this poem. Listen carefully. Teenagers' age is very important because this age decides our future. What is the success and what is the distress? What is that one? In this way, in this poem, the apostrophe, this figure of speech is given here, uses here. The teenagers request to God, just I know that each day give me a new beginnings. I must make my own decisions. I just want your help. What is good one and what is bad one? There are given two ways also. Which are the two ways? That having a great success and that having a great distress. That times I may choose a wrong road also. And when I will be honest, that times I can get a success. How is the honesty and what is the honesty? I don't know that times. You just only show me what is a good one and what is bad one. What is mean by honest? In the next one, what that particular teenagers request to God, please open up his eyes because he might clearly see that I might clearly see. Means that when I open up my eyes, that times I might clearly see what is good and what is bad one. You just help me and stand behind me. Give me the right path. Give me the right direction. Show me the right path. When there are some temptations, temptation in my life, you just say no to me because I want to maintain my body clean. I want to be healthy in a future life. I will be fit for life each day also. When my teenagers years are over, that times I know that I will see whatever the success is ahead. I can see that, but now I want your help. That life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. Because you just have to next also, you walking next to me, you show me the right path. I don't want any temptation like a chewing tobacco and drugs and smoking cigarette and drinking and mobile games. I want a good health. I want good goals. Means that good qualities. I just want to accept good qualities. I want some good thinking, honesty. Just you stay away from a bad company. I want to study regularly. I want to set my own goals. I want a success in my life. This is the paraphrase of this poem. I think you understood very well. Next, we have to see that this is the each and every stanza is having a rhyming scheme. See the rhyming scheme. See the first stanza. First stanza's last letter. Beginnings, make, choose, take. See the beginnings and a make. When you pronounce this word beginnings and next one make, beginnings and makes doesn't having the same sound. You can write here A, you can write here a B. Then beginnings, make and choose. Nothing having any same sound. You can write here a C. And again, beginnings, make, choose and take. When you see that a make and take is the same sound words, that's why you have to write here B. Because make is given here B, you also write here a B. Means that what is the rhyme scheme of this poem A, B, C, B, or what is the rhyme scheme of this 4 lines or a first stanza A, B, C, B. I think you understood a rhyme scheme also, and you understood the poem also in details. Thank you very much.